Hello guys, welcome to another video. This is Crypto Journal. My name is Paul, and on this channel I share my passion for crypto. I do a little bit of crypto education. I share my portfolio, my journey to one of my main goals is to get to 100k in crypto. Those are some of the things that I share, and I share news regarding what's going on in the crypto space. So if those sound like things that you're interested in, kindly consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, so if you've been following my journey to 100k, you will see that it's been rough. It's been rough. This is wallet one. So if you're watching me for the first time, I have three wallets that I share in this journey to 100k series. This is wallet one, and this wallet has been as high as $25,000. And now we're sitting at 19. So we've dropped about $6,000 in this wallet. We're down another $1,353 today. It's painful. I won't lie to you. Nobody wants to see their wallet declining. Ideally, we all want to see it going up. But guess what? I've seen all this before. I've seen this movie before, so it's not really bothering me, right? It's hard to go through it, but it's not really bothering me because I know ultimately the market will recover. So this wallet is down to 19,000. So we're moving backwards. We were getting closer to the 100k, but now we've kind of regressed a little bit. We fall down, but we will get up. We'll keep going. Okay, so this is wallet one, down to 19,000. Wallet two, what's wallet two doing? Wallet 2. Okay. Oh boy. Wallet 2. Ah, you're killing me, man. Down to 16,000 from a high of, this wallet has been as high as 21,000, guys. And now it's down at 16,000. But we continue to just have faith. So again, on this wallet, we've lost about 5,000. So the 5,000 on this one plus the 6,000 on wallet one, we're down about 11,000, guys. 11,000 USD. Okay, one of the reasons, because you might be thinking, why are you happy? Or why are you smiling? Like, you lost $11,000 and you're further away from your goal than you really want to be. Yes, and that's true. But at the same time, I got into most of my positions very early, right? So although my wallet is down, I'm actually still in profit. Okay. So what I've really lost at this point on the unrealized losses, because they're not losses until you sell. And I have no plan of selling for at least 5 years, 5 to 10 years, probably not even in 15 years. Because I plan to hold for as long as possible. I'm a believer that crypto is the future of finance. So, I'm still in profit, and that's why I'm not too bothered. That was because I took advantage of the prices when they were low. And that's what, I'm not telling anybody what to do, but you want to be buying when it's low. You don't want to be afraid. Maybe you got in when the prices were a little high, and now you're basically seeing yourself lose money. But this is an opportunity to dollar cost average. Buy lower to even out, to average out your entry cost, right? Don't be afraid. Do not be afraid. Fear is the worst thing that can happen when the market conditions are like this. Because fear will cause you to panic and to make wrong decisions. Now, I'm not telling you what to do, but I'm not selling. In fact, I'm going to be buying some more. So we're down, and we're down brutal. We're getting killed. We're getting slaughtered. That's the actual truth. Because who wants to lose $11,000? And that's not even all the losses. I have a smaller wallet, my third wallet, and I'm down on that one too. But I'm going to keep buying because we're going to get to this 100k in crypto, whatever it takes. It makes me remember that album from 50 Cent. We're getting to 100k in crypto, or we're gonna die trying, right? And that's the attitude you have to have. I was speaking to somebody this morning who is also, I've been sort of coaching them on investing and buying crypto, and they were looking at their wallets, their stock portfolios and their crypto, and they're like, Paul, it's going down. What should I do? I said, buy some more. Buy some more, because history tells us the market will eventually recover. And if you think this is bad, I've seen 40-50% drops in Bitcoin, in crypto. So this is easy for me to stomach because I've seen worse. So be encouraged. Don't be fearful. Always remind yourself why you started buying crypto in the first place. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. Remind yourself of the use cases. Remind yourself of the fundamentals and ask yourself, have any of those changed? None of those have really changed. None of those have changed. Bitcoin is still, regarded as a store of value. A lot of institutions are coming in and holding it now. And it will potentially, be a reserve currency for the US and other countries, right? Ethereum, when Wall Street starts to come on chain, their blockchain of choice is most likely going to be Ethereum. And as real world assets start getting tokenized, that's going to happen on Ethereum. Guess what's going to happen to the cost of and price of Ethereum when that happens? It's going to go up. I actually made a video on that yesterday, right, where Tom Lee predicted that by January of 2026, he can see Ethereum between 9,000 and 12,000, right? So you got to remind yourself of these things, because a lot of manipulation happens in the market because the big boys want to force the price down so they can get more at a cheaper price and shake you out if you're fearful and weak. So keep that in mind. So we're down pretty bad in this one too. And let's take a look at the third wallet, which is my smaller wallet. And this one I just use to encourage people who maybe don't have a lot of money to get started. You only have maybe $100, $10, $20 to throw at crypto, maybe weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. But it's still possible, even with those smaller amounts, to start building up your portfolio, which is what I've been doing. I started this particular wallet with just about $200. And we grew it to, I think I was about 2,500. Really what I've contributed in this wallet probably should be close to 3,000, right? But I'm down pretty bad in this wallet as well, because now it's in at 2,000, about 2003, because this is just my crypto whole, about 2003. This is just what I have in crypto right now, 2,275. But I'm actually going to buy some more right now. I'm going to buy a little bit of Ethereum. Let's buy about $50 in Ethereum, and I'm gonna buy some of my other cryptos that I like to buy as well. I'm gonna buy some XRP. I'm gonna buy some XLM. So I'm gonna buy. So let's buy some XRP. Let's buy about $20, and this is if you just have a little money, about $100 a month or whatever. I'm not saying to do this, I'm just sharing what I do. You can just approach it like this, a little Ethereum, a little $50 in Ethereum, a little $20 on XRP, a little $10 at XLM, and just continue to do that. Because when the market recovers, that's when you're going to see the power of what you're doing. It looks crazy doing this, because why are you buying? The market is tanking. Why are you buying? That's the time to buy, because it's on a discount right now. It's on sale. We're going discount shopping, baby. That's what we're doing. So, yeah. It's not, we don't want to ideally be losing money, but at the same time, we understand the way the market works, and we see this as an opportunity to pick up some more goodies at a cheaper price. So that's what we're doing. Let me know what you're doing in the comments. How are you feeling right now? How are you handling the volatility in the market? Have you panic sold? Are you still hanging on? What is your approach? What are you doing in this time? That's where my wallet is right now. Like you, I'm suffering just like you. So know that you're not going through this alone. We're all feeling it. We're all suffering, right? But we're going to continue to, hold on to what we believe. And we know that the market is going to recover. And we know that in the end, we are going to win. So that's my update on my journey to 100K. We've kind of taken a step backwards, a few steps backwards, but we know that we will get to the finish line. We're going to get to 100K in crypto, or we're going to die trying. All right, thanks for watching. Again, if you've enjoyed the content, please smash the like button. Also, kindly subscribe to the channel to continue to follow my journey. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.